I don't even know where to go with this.
Me neither.
Kick the floor while you do the heel flip.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we're super excited to be here today with Mr. O'Grady. And why is it such an exciting day?
Because it's raining?
Because it's raining outside. It never rains in California. It rains once every 7 years, and then one day we wanted to skate, rain.
Yep.
And Alec is going to take on his first flip trick today. Your first flip trick can be a tough one. The first flip trick he's going to attempt is the heel flip. If you remember the first video he ever did, it was kickflip challenge for $10,000. He had 30 minutes to land it.
I know.
He had 1 hour to land it, okay. And he was trying to do a kickflip and he kept doing heel flips. So I figured, you know, what the heck. This is the next trick in Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1.
Yeah.
The heel flip. So I think I'm gonna be a nice guy, like I always am, and I'm gonna let you start out with all the tricks you know thus far. Like just give some practice.
Okay.
I'm giving you a chance to get more comfortable with your board.
Okay.
Before I start the timer for the money. Because if you win this.
What's happening? Yeah.
If you do it within 30 minutes, you win money.
Okay. How much?
Do your practice tricks. Start with the ollie. Okay, that was the best ollie I've seen you do to date.
Okay.
Dude! For real? He's better than me! Okay. That was terrible, you should just give up. I'm just kidding. Your backside 180s were one of your better ones. Yes, sir. We will count that. Pop shove it?
Pop shove it. Okay.
Yeah, boy! Do we count that? Do we do it again?
Yes, count it.
Okay, we count it. Sure. Wow.
I want to give that one more try.
He lands like this. Stop with the gymnastics!
Yeah.
Count it.
Counting it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Next trick, heel flip.
Okay.
30 minutes. If you land this, you get $1,000.
Okay.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes. I love how he's just so nonchalant about that. So, leave it in the comments below. Do you think he can do it in 30 minutes? This is kind of a weird position where I'm supposed to teach him, but I don't really want to because then I have to give him $1,000. It's like a whole situation. So, your time's just rolling, dude. 29 minutes. 30 seconds.
It's gonna happen a lot. Can we pause the time?
No.
What do you mean no? Okay.
You gotta go, dude. Yeah.
Doing great.
Maybe we should just end the timer now. Put your foot a little bit more in like heel flip position like this. See, I can't even help him, Dan. I don't even know how to heel flip. And then you're gonna pop it like from your back foot's like in that little pocket.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna pop it, and it's kind of similar to an ollie, right, Dan? But you're going off that way. Yeah, like that. Might even be worth it to do some of those practice steps.
Man, I only got 30 minutes.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah. 27 minutes, 23 seconds. Wow. Let's go! What's he doing? Laser!
Yeah.
Laser flip, that's $100,000.
That's why.
That is why I do not like heel flips. It's just asking for a popsicle. Yep. I mean, inward heel flip.
I don't even know where to go with this.
Me neither. I would love to be able to help you, but I don't know what to say. Closer, but like, it's the same thing from the kickflip video. You need to pop and do the motion of an ollie. You're like, you're popping, and your whole body's going like this. Don't do that. Do
Okay.
like an ollie. Might be good for you to do an ollie. Somewhat kind of close, I guess. I mean, varial hill, first day, day one. A lot of people learn varial flips before kickflips for some weird reason. They have to spin it. So I don't know. It's weird. You might be one of those weird people.
Ollie. Okay, now push your front foot forward.
So what you just did was you popped and you kind of went that way. Like as it was popping, you just went.
Yeah.
Didn't really slightly push down, like not too much, but like you want to hit the board and then go out. Okay. So when you do it, do the same thing with the way you're olling. So when you're olling, you push down.
Yeah.
And you know how you slide up and this one's jumping up with it?
Yeah.
As you feel that motion, just heel sideways.
You did almost land a laser flip.
That's it.
Closer.
That was it.
Time's a ticking.
So this is one thing what my friend used to do before I learned heel flip, because he learned it before me.
Yeah.
This is what he used to do. He just used to do that motion, like not really do anything, just like kind of jump, pretend like he's heel flipping. Okay. So he would feel centered. And then when this just mimics the ollie motion.
Yeah.
And then you just do what you've been practicing, and then you get that. You see how it just kind of flicked?
Yeah. Okay.
That's a start.
Oh boy! Dude!
This is a hard trick.
Yeah, the first flip trick is always a hard one.
It's a little
Got him!
a little bounce.
You got that slow-mo.
Yeah, but pop like half as hard.
How do we even, what are we telling them to do? You just keep going, let me figure this out. You help us, brother. Down. Okay, here, kick the floor. While you do the heel flip.
Oh, okay.
So, I feel like I've lost everything that I've ever done.
That's what it's like.
You have to believe. Sometimes it takes,
I believe, but you
sometimes
know.
it takes 11 days to do a trick, and you just keep thinking about it, and you can't go to sleep.
Yeah, it took Uzi a year to kickflip. It ain't gonna take you a year. Just a really long time.
Hey, it looks perfect.
There it is. Now if Mowgli would have just landed on it, boom, $1,000.
We can split it.
Yep. Dude, that was it. Okay.
When you flick it, leave your leg out. It was flipping perfectly, and then you pulled your leg back, and you messed it up.
We don't have like a bar.
Let it go. Let's go, Grady! If you land it right here, I'll buy your rap album when it comes out. Yo, 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 Grady on the go.
Is that the correct rotation? No.
Not even close.
Now do a heel flip. 3 minutes, 15 seconds. Holy.
You're doing great.
1 minute, 35 seconds. Dude, that was good. 20 seconds to go. This could be a buzzer beater. If you land it right here, oh my god. What are you doing? Trying to keep you from going the wrong direction. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
That last one, though, got that heel digging in there.
Wow, did you just rage quit?
No, I just raged. I didn't quit.
What do you think?
That's not an easy trick
No.
by any means.
You gotta practice. Now you have enough, so you need to practice every day.
Yeah.
Don't give up. Don't forfeit.
None of those were in the question. Right?
No. Do you have anything that you can tell them if they're trying to learn how to heel flip and those people out there that are like struggling, going through the same thing that you're going through, maybe even worse because they don't have all of these people here?
Just get skateboarding made. That's the thing. I should have watched the heel flip or slow mo or something.
Yeah.
We have all of those slow mo clips,
Yes, we do.
and we never.
Yes, we do.
Also, ollieing and then heel flipping. I could tell that those were my better ones.
Yeah. And you guys do have us. We have the skate supports going. You can turn in a skate support at brailleskateboarding.com. You can go to Skateboarding Made Simple. It will help you. Okay, we're going to postpone this video until next time. So from now until the next time we film, every day practice.
Okay.
Okay? Like just set the rap album aside just for a little bit. Practice the heel flip and then come back and make a song about the heel flip in the rap album.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We got you covered at brailleskateboarding.com. Everything you need.